Today we are going to start with chapter number 17, natural calamity. What are natural calamity? So, is the effect of natural event that causes great loss of environment and human life. What we call it natural because the events, hazards and disasters happen without human involvement and human cannot stop it. Humans उसको stop नहीं कर सकते. So some of the example of these calamities are earthquake, volcanic eruption, tidal waves, drought and flood. So now you have to find out and write out the emergency number of hospital, ambulance service. All these you have to do yourself. What is earthquake? It is a huge mass of rock move beneath the surface, and what it causes ground to shake. And earthquake occur constantly around the world. Often they are too minor for the people who feel them all. When an earthquake occurs, surface of the earth shakes or वो tremble करता है, right? It is caused by sudden and violent movement within the earth. Earthquake results in strong tremendous on the earth's surface. The effect of what are the effects of earthquake? Earthquake are not predictable, and what they cause major damage. The damage depends upon its strength and its kind of ground it is shaking. It may result in minor or sometimes widespread destruction. Building may collapse, trees may get uprooted, bridges, roads might break, and its result to the earthquake. This is a Himalayan region. They are prone to frequent earthquake. And 26 January 2011, there was a massive earthquake in Bhuj in Gujarat. How many people? 20,000 people lost their life. Right? 15 lakh got injured. What are the causes of the earthquake? What happens जब earth surface किसकी बनी होती है? Number of interlocking plates of rock. And these plates are called tectonic plates. They float on the layer on molten water. And when these plates collide with each other, it results in strong vibration or tremor. It is felt as an earthquake, and the point at which plates collide is called focus on the earth. The surface of the earth above the focus, what we call its epicenter. So the effects of the earthquake is greatest at the epicenter. What are precautions? It is difficult to precisely predict as when the earthquake will occur. Scientists यूज इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिसका नाम है सिस्मोग्राफ. उससे वो क्या करता है? इंटेंसिटी को मेजर करता है. इंटेंसिटी ऑफ अर्थ को हम किससे मेजर करते हैं? विद द रिक्टर स्केल. लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट जापान इज द मोस्ट अर्थक्वेक प्रोन कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. द फॉलोइंग प्रिकॉशन नीड्स टू बी रिमेंबर्ड ड्यूरिंग द अर्थक्वेक. व्हाट आर दीज? Run out of your house or school building. Safest place is open area where nothing can be filled. If you are not able to run out, sit under a ground table to protect yourself from things falling on you. Stay away from heavy objects and windows may fall shutter. Do not use any electrical gadget. Do not use a lift. आपको lift का भी use नहीं करना है during or immediately after an earthquake. When there is excessive rain, a river overflows in banks. The water then spoils over to nearby land, causing flood. Flood can also be caused by collapsing of dam built on a river. Sudden melting of huge amount of snow on mountain during summer can also result in flood. In India, floods are common when there are heavy rains during the monsoon. In this season, rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Kosi, they overflow. वो क्या करते हैं? Overflow करते हैं. Such as West Bengal, Bihar, Assam experiences flood, cause damage to crop life and property. Floods wash away houses and disrupt mobility of transport, communication, electricity. इससे क्या होता है? Acute shortage होती है food की, food supply की, drinking water की और shelter की. Right? What are precautions if you live in a place prone to flood? Watch out for current news of floods on television, radio, and newspaper. In case of floods, do not use electric appliances in your home. Things such as radio, torch, first aid kit, stock of food and fresh water should be at hand during these times. So drought occurs when there is a shortage of rain. We live in an agriculture country. Our farmers largely depend upon the monsoon rain for growing crop. Drought का मतलब क्या होता है? जब scarcity हो जाती है water की और food. किस रीजन में? इंडिया के कुछ रीजन ऐसे जैसे राजस्थान, उड़ीसा, महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र प्रदेश, गुजरात, they are more prone to drought. In severe drought, there is a great shortage of food, which leading to famine. A large number of people die in famines. What are its precaution? आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाने हैं और डिफॉरेस्टेशन को प्रिवेंट करना, रोकना है. Then we have cyclone, and cyclone is a storm in which rotating winds travel at very high speed. वो क्या करती है? फ्लैटन करती है, डिस्ट्रॉय करती है, कुछ भी चीज़ें पाथ में आती है. और साइक्लोन क्या करता है? अपरूट कर देता है ट्रीज को. Electric poles and damaged houses. The coastal region of Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, they are often hit by cyclones. Precautions. If you live in an area prone to cyclones, several precautions should be taken. Watch out for weather forecast. Warnings on radio television, you should keep emergency kit with things like first aid kit, torch, stock of food, drinking water. All electrical gadgets should be turned off when cyclone arrives. Tsunami. Tidal waves are also called tsunami. They are not caused by tides. In Japan, if we talk about, इसको हम harbor waves कहते हैं. Tsunami usually follows an underwater earthquake, landslide or volcanic eruption. वो rise करते हैं. On 26 December 2004, several countries of South and Southeast Asia were hit by very big tsunami. Precautions. It is difficult to predict a tsunami, but if tsunami warnings has been issued, immediately move to safer place. Keeping phone number of hospitals and relatives ready, move to some higher ground away from the volcano. A volcanic eruption takes place when molten rocks inside the earth called magma find a way to rise towards the surface of the earth. So the opening of the earth is called vent. उसको हम vent कहते हैं. The molten magma that comes out from the crust of the earth is called lava. Lava, okay, harmful gases है जो ऐस आती है, and what it causes heavy air pollution. Volcanoes are of three types: extinct, dormant, active. Volcano which have not erupted since long time and probably may never erupt in future, जो कभी फ्यूचर में इरप्ट भी नहीं होंगे, what we call them extinct volcano. जैसे आपका माउंट बुनिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया का. डॉर्मेंट वोल्केनो जो सो गए हैं, बहुत टाइम से सो गए हैं और उठे नहीं है, उन्हें डॉर्मेंट कहता है, लाइक माउंट फूजी इन जापान. एंड द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ वोल्केनो आर एक्टिव वोल्केनो. दे आर डेंजरस एंड दे कैन इरप्ट एनी टाइम, और ये कभी भी इरप्ट हो सकते हैं. Precautions क्या है? These days, due to availability of sophisticated instruments, scientists are able to predict volcanic eruption in advance. So लोगों को क्या करती है? Safer place पे shift करती है. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.